Daddy,
Yep.
what is awas?
Awas.
Yeah.
It's like danger. Attention. Be careful. Can you spell for the day?
Which one? This one?
Yep.
A-W-A-S.
What is that?
Don't know.
Awas.
Awas.
Down there?
I don't know. It's too many.
No. Don't worry. Just spell it. Just like how you spell daddy's shirt just now. Go.
J
Mm-hmm.
E K
It's okay. Just do it.
K E R G A K E R J A T
Mm-hmm.
N
Mm-hmm.
B.
Correct. Well done. It's not like TNT, right?
TNT.
It's not like TNT.
What is TNT?
Do you know what does that mean?
What?
Awas,
Awas,
kerja,
kerja,
TNB.
TNB. But if TNT, if you explode,
Yeah, but do you think that is TNT?
no,
What is that?
something.
What is
Cable.
something? Yeah, right, cable. What they do with the cable? Can you show me? Come, let's go.
I don't know what they do with the cable.
Can you tell Daddy what happened to this place?
Don't know.
Don't say don't know first. You got to explain to Daddy.
It's been broken.
Okay, maybe we can start from here. What they do here?
They dig. You cannot go inside. It might be dangerous.
All right. So basically, the first thing they do, they cut this, cut the rod or cement. After that, what they do?
Dig.
Okay, they dig.
Put cable.
After they dig, what?
They put cable.
Put cables. What kind of cables?
Big cable.
Big cables. Yeah, what color?
Black.
Yes, how many?
So many.
What do you mean? Two only. Yes, that's the one. Alright, well done.
What is under the cable?
Mud, soil, sand, and stone.
What does that mean?
Mixture of mud, soil, sand,
Dirt.
and stone. Yeah, of course, dirt.
Also dirt.
Yeah, correct. Alright, that's all. Can you say your last word?
Subscribe to channel and watch our Abel video. Bye bye.